I know, isn't that nice? Oh, somebody's hiding from the camera. She's chugging on her coffee. Looks like he's got an iced tea. She's still got her hand up over her face. Beer, coffee, friends, it says on the wall. What book is that? Oh, that makes it easier to read what it is. Thank you.
Can I help you guys? What are you guys doing?
A Court of Thorns and Roses. Is that a good book?
Please not film me. I don't give you permission to film me right
We don't need it.
now. Okay, well you need to go away.
No, we don't.
This is a public place.
Exactly, it's a public place, so we don't need to go away.
You need to fucking leave because I don't want you to film me.
Oh, now I'm going to stand here all day.
Fucking go away. I'm serious. Can we help you guys? I work here. I'm a manager. You can't film me. You guys need to leave.
No, we don't.
Yes, you absolutely do.
Oh, yeah? Make me.
I will call the cops on your ass.
And they won't make me either.
Fucking leave.
No.
Are you serious? All right, can you go get Zach? Hey, Bella, can you go get Zach? The owner's going to make you leave.
Ah! We'll see. We'll see about that, sweetie.
Like,
Recording in public. That's what we're doing.
Stupid. Like,
You're stupid.
yeah, so are you.
No, I have a college education, thank
Yeah,
you.
so do I, bitch.
Yeah, go hide. Go inside and hide. Get your ass in there and hide. Get your ass in there and hide. Get in there and hide.
Oh, you're number one. Isn't that special?
Get your ass in there and hide. I'm gonna film your ass all day long, bro.
Damn, she was rude.
Get in there and hide now. Go hide.
She was super rude.
That's how you solve that. Get the ass inside and hide, bitch. Gotta tell them what the fuck you're doing on a public sidewalk.
Just walking through town, touring the town, recording.
People yelling.
Yeah. And then this lady's trying to tell us we can't. Yeah. Oh, a jewelry store. Cool.
We're not more tourists. We're not from around here.
I like jewelry. Look at all this sparkly stuff there. Yeah. All kinds of sparkly stuff. Waddington Jewelers.
Yeah. Guy over there still on the phone with police. I said hi. You better come out here again. Once we walk away, you want to come out, huh?
Who?
The people.
They came back out?
You didn't hide. I told you to go inside and hide, fella. You guys.
In your dreams, boy.
Look at those tattoos. How'd you earn those? You earn those tattoos by doing what? Don't get tattoos and make you cry, bitch. These cops with their tribal tattoos all over down the arms.
Right.
Well, you guys, man, I do. With you. Let's go.
She looked very unhappy to have to walk past the camera. Qdoba.
There's nobody in there but workers.
Yeah, only employees in
Get in
there.
the camera and tell them to stop recording. Hey, I'm gonna get in front of your camera and tell you to stop recording right now.
Okay. Good.
Stop recording me.
Hey, get out
Stop
of my face.
recording me.
Get out of my
Stop
face.
it.
Get out. You see it.
Just curious, what we're filming in there?
We're filming everything we can see from public.
Okay. So what is that? I'm just curious.
Just whatever we see. That's what we're doing.
I got you. Okay. What
We're
brings you
touring a
Bowling
town
Green
we
today?
don't live in.
Look. I do. I'm just curious. I'm just asking. It's all good. This is the town, you know? That's all. Okay. Somebody burned bread. Well, hopefully
I
not
smell
us.
toast.
Yeah. You guys are feeding the sidewalk. Make a hole. Okay. Well, have a good day, guys.
Yeah, you too.
Guys walking down the street. Who knows what they're doing.
Are you the boss man? Oh. You didn't call the police, did you? Okay.
I'm just asking questions. That's all.
Right? I tried to explain it to her, but she was getting really mouthy and rude with us.
Well, we're not used to having people coming in there and film, so when people do that, it's
But we
not
weren't
set
in
up.
there. We were outside.
They're out here on the public sidewalk trying to tell us what to do. Public, you know, you can't do that. No.
And she's trying to say,
If they call Popo, they can't even tell us what to do unless we go through the wall, you know? And nobody, and so that's it. We walked away. All good. I said,
it's all about education. That's what it's all about.
And we walked away.
Because she was under the impression that we needed her permission to record her. And we don't. If she's visible from public, we can record her all day, just like now that she came back outside. We can record her again.
Understood. Sorry.
No problem, man.
It's all good, guys. Now, like I said, just checking in and
Right. Yeah, we have no nefarious purpose.
Perfect. Well, have a good rest of your day.
Yeah, you too, man. Oh, there's a piggy.
Get inside and hide. Go.
Let me. He's on his radio. I got something for you. I got one of these for you too.
Just screen printing here. Customized screen printing.
Cool.
Pop wants to have a word with you now.
Bring it.
Your face should be posted in every post office in the Midwest of the United States.
Hold on, I'm going to fly to California. Make that the entire United States. She's like, oh my God, there's another one. Now there's a third, and now there's a fourth. Oh, the look on her face. She's like, what the hell? The other one's hiding behind the screen like, oh my God.
Oh, that was too funny.
Mm-hmm.
What is this place about? Dose Aesthetics. It's like, is it like a herb store? I don't know.
Probably herbal remedy kind of stuff. There's all makeup right there on that wall.
Well, look at CBD lotions, CBD, all kinds of stuff.
Oh, cam back behind a computer screen. She's doing a cam back. It'll be on the Bowling Green social media pages.
Everyone else along here in the
She's coming out. She's coming out. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Great.
You might want to cut it really quick. I just have a couple, this is like a medical practice, medical facility.
Okay.
So you guys are actually violating HIPAA because...
Wrong answer. We cannot violate HIPAA.
So we have patients that aren't
We
consenting.
cannot violate HIPAA. Only you can violate HIPAA. You are the protector of the records. If you leave them where we can see them, that's you violating HIPAA, not us.
Sirens coming.
We cannot violate HIPAA. Learn the law,
Got a
lady.
place we can hide. The sirens are coming. Should we hide in there?
The ignorant people with their HIPAA crap. Yeah, she tried to say we were violating HIPAA. Idiot. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only a hippopotamus will do.
Hungry, hungry hippo.
I think I'm going to sing that song. Every time somebody tries to say we're violating HIPAA, I'm going to start singing the hippopotamus song. Wow, that place is busy.
People right here.
Any windows down the side?
I didn't see any.
Nope. Hey, that lady in the red dress?
Yeah.
You just keep aiming that way, and she's going to look so disgusted when she comes by and walks past our cameras, because that's what she did the last time when she went to walk in that restaurant. She had just an utterly disgusted face when she walked between our cameras. That lady in red right there. I'm going to hang out here just so I can record that nasty look she gave us again.
It's an Android, so I can only do so fucking much. You know what I mean?
Right?
Yeah. Would you an apple? No, I don't want to downgrade. Downgrade. Big time Michigan fan?
I'm number one, yes! Don't you think I don't give a fuck? How's it going?
Fine, but I just need to get to my car.
Go ahead.
Okay.
I don't bite. Usually.
Oh, what's that? I think we're going to street. We're all fine in Iraq. Yeah. Only fan. Maybe rough up. What about like Twitch? Like shit? YouTube. I have no idea what you're talking about. I sell my videos to Iraq. That's all I do. That's really odd. They pay, man. If they pay, that's like yours.
Yeah, it's going on the Yushan News channel.
Why do they pay? Mine's OnlyFans. Well, I find YouTube talent like you. Hey, look.
Sorry.
We don't make anything.
Feelings, nothing more than feelings. Oh, cool. There's a bunch of stuff down here we're missing out on. There's a bunch of stuff on both sides over here that we're missing. You suck what?
Every time I walk away, you got something to say.
You little bitch.
Fuck you, I'm not hard to fucking find. I'm right here, bitch.
Yeah, he wants to mouth off after he runs away.
One more time, I'm gonna put him over my knee and spank him. Spank his ass.
Ain't much here. Brand old Dave Roberts. Dirty windows.
Yep.
CPA. Oh, insomnia cookies. I'm not allowed inside that macro. Is this fresh almond?
Oh yeah,
pie?
fresh bread. Yum.
Oh, we stay on the sidewalk. But if you offer,
What's that?
Son, we'll
Yeah,
plug
go
your
ahead.
business.
Oh.
Publicity.
Yeah, plug the business, man.
My name's
Have at it.
Steven. I own the Amish Deli. We sell Amish meats and cheeses. We take
You
the
guys
Amish meats
bring your meat from Sterling?
from Amish country. I'm
Okay.
Sterling, and I bought an Amish deli.
Okay. I know the town of Sterling over in Wayne County.
Oh, okay. All this stuff comes from Millersburg. It's
Okay,
big
that's south of
Amish,
there.
yeah, south
Down
here.
around 83.
Awesome.
Yeah, big Amish community down there. We take the Amish meats
Oh, look, he's even got a menu of everything.
and make awesome sandwiches out of it.
133, what's this road?
Worcester Street.
Worcester Street here in,
Worcester.
There's the menu, yeah.
Ohio here. Sterling's Amish
Sterling
Oh, you got
Amish
a
Deli.
like a propane heater in there or something?
Yeah, that's for like when it's cold out. I bring it out here, and sometimes we take orders for the window.
Okay.
Late at night, like 2:30 in the morning when it starts to get cloudy.
Sorry to take a look at
Oh,
it.
okay.
Come on in. Yeah.
Cool. Heck yeah. We love advertising businesses that are camera friendly.
Yeah, I'm camera friendly. If you look us up on Facebook, you definitely see that.
White bread. Cool. Heck yeah.
Do you do like whole packages, like beef and chicken packages, stuff like that?
No, we used to do like family packs, where you just get like a bunch of meat, a bunch of cheese, and build your own sandwiches. We do meat cheese trays.
Yeah, there's a
Heck
place
yeah.
in my town where I live. It's
Cool
it's
place.
called Dunes Meats. They,
I like it.
You can buy whole cows or half cows. I mean, it's the size of a high school. No, 1/4.
Yeah.
I don't go there. They've gotten too big.
Oh, really?
I don't like that kind of stuff. I
Yeah, it's
prefer
a
shopping
small
places.
mom and pop shop. Yeah,
Cool.
my wife,
Take debit
run
card?
it.
Debit card? Take debit card?
Yeah, we're not that
Oh wait, I don't have my. Never mind. I forgot. I don't have my wallet.
card.
I left my wallet with my ID in my car on purpose. Damn it.
Oops.
I'll come back. When do I do that? I gotta start carrying cash.
Right? Yeah, because cash is unidentifiable. Heck yeah, this is a nice place, man. Thanks for letting us check it out.